So basically, if you are looking for a AI tool which can convert text to images, now let's see one of the AI tools which is most popular. Now let's see it. And we will type Leonardo AI, and after that we can see Leonardo AI website here. Now let's click on it. After clicking on that, we have been redirected to its website. Now let's click on get started here. Now you will need to log in with your Google account. After signing into your account, now let's see how to create images. Now let's see how to create an image from text. Here you can see image creation. Let's click on it. We have entered the prompt a cat on space. You can see the results here, the first image, the second image, the third image, and the fourth image. You will be given a 150 credits for free every day, and you can use it to generate images. And you can change the style of the image you want. Now let's click on here in the preset and we will click on anime. Now after choosing it, now let's click on generate. And here you can see the image is generated and it is in anime style. And that's how you can use this tool. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.